তাহলে অ্যাডিকশন নিয়ে ডিল করতে গেলে মেন জিনিসটা তোমাকে বুঝতে হবে যে মানুষের কিন্তু নেচারটা এডিক্টিভ। মানুষ যাতেই মন লাগাবে সে এডিক্টেড হয়ে যাবে। বেটার হচ্ছে তুমি এমন জিনিসে মন লাগিয়ে নাও, better be addicted to something which increases your knowledge, increases your value, ঠিক আছে, and it gives you clarity about life. আমি যেটা বলছিলাম যে if you watch foreign movies, you get to know their culture, you get to improve your English level. So always be addicted to something that increases your value as a person. That's all. You don't have to avoid addictive things, but you have to choose the right ones. That's the key. If you say I am addicted to these and I can focus on my studies, that's not going to work. Be addicted. This is the law. Be addicted to your studies. Be addicted to books. Be addicted to something that in some way contributes to your personality, makes it a better version. Okay, be addictive, but not to things that make you dumb. Rather, you should get addicted to things that make your life better. That's all.